Here's my next question. Let's compare our two documents. We have a primary source and we have a secondary source. This was not written by John Powell. This was written by somebody else way after the fact to give us more information. Let's compare these two. Okay? I want you to talk to your partner. What differences do you notice between the primary source and the secondary source? What differences do you notice? Talk to your partner.
Also, it's like here more about the river and here it's
I love that. It was very informational, but I think you're exactly right. This had exact details. That's a great observation.
Yeah, that's what the Colorado River, that's not what they like. That's
My partner noticed something really, really awesome. I'm going to let her share in a minute, but I want to hear from you first. What did you notice when you compared primary versus secondary source? What did you and your partner notice? Ricky, what did you see?
Like for this, like it's saying every single tiny stuff in paragraphs, and it's saying it really, like it goes into it. But this one is just making everything go in one tiny place.
Okay, can you tell me a little bit more what you mean?
Like for example, this it has everything important.
Okay.
But it's still long. And this is not everything, but still really important stuff.
Okay.
But it's tiny.
So maybe this side, is this what you're saying? This side, it tells us the whole story, right? Everything that was happening at that time in history. This side, it zoomed into one exact moment in time. Okay, good. What else did you notice? Read what you noticed.
I noticed on this one, it basically is just talking about the Colorado River, and on the side it talks about what they did as they went down the Colorado River.
Question for the group. Why do you think a primary source, his log, gives us more information like that than our secondary source that somebody else wrote years later? Why do you think our primary source gives us more of that information when we compare it to our secondary source on this topic? Daniel?
It actually happens. This one just talks about this one talks about the river and all made up stuff, and this one actually talks about what happens.
Okay, one and then. I'm going to let Macy share hers because I said I was going to, and then I have one really important question for you. Share what you noticed.
So I noticed that this one was like somebody was narrative. Somebody was like the narrative and they were writing it. And this one the person was saying it. And this one gave more details about what happened. And this one had details, but it didn't have like the close-up details.
That primary source gives us a close-up detail. Here's my really important question. If I have a secondary source and a primary source, I can trust both of them, but which one do I trust for accuracy the most?